Hey guys, and welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, the video you're about to watch tonight I filmed about 2 months ago, and for whatever reason I never posted it. I think I was going to add some more footage or change it or whatever the case was, I don't know. But like I said, it's about 2 months old and a lot of work has been done to Nigel between then and now. So here's a bit of a halfway video of what's been happening with the interior. And what I'll do next is I'm going to put together another video this weekend to give you a much more up-to-date look at what's happened with the interior, the engine bay, brakes, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this. If you do, give it a thumbs up and keep an eye out for the next video, hopefully on the weekend. All right, guys, thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so the plan for today is to remove the remaining 2 door trims, clean up the insides of those doors just like these 2 here. The driver's door come up really good, and I've also done the rear driver's door as well. I've cleaned the insides, just a little bit more to clean. As you can see, there's a little bit of dirt in there. I just want to get these as clean as I possibly can before putting the door trims back on, and lube up all the door hinges, the catches, and I've also lubed up the mechanisms inside the door already, but I will do those again. Now, the seats are going to get changed out as well. So the seats are going, door trims are going, and I am now putting a back seat and seat belts into this car. So that is the plan. Everything is going to come out of the red one, the interior wise, and go into Nigel. So that's the plan. And so enough babble, let's get into this. Alright, so this is the interior on Big Red. So Big Red is going to get scrapped, as you know. The decision now has been made. So the door trims are in really good condition. So there's just a little bit of dirt scuff marks down the bottom there, which will clean up nicely. These are all nice and intact. Now the seats are in really good condition, no cigarette burn marks or anything like that. They just need a really, really good clean. And the driver's one's a little bit dirtier, but still in really good condition. And as you can see, the door trims are really good as well. So let's take a look at the back seat. Back seat is the same, it's in really good condition. I just need to replace some plastic trim, not trim, but yeah, see these little buttons here? They've been chewed by dogs, so they need to get replaced. But overall, these are in really good condition. So all these are going to get transplanted today into Nigel. And yes, back seat's going in, and the rear parcel shelf is in really good condition. So that's going to go in there as well. All right, let's start tearing everything out. All right, this is where I got up to yesterday. So rear seat is in. It needs a clean, but we're going to get to that. That's going to be a separate video trying out a new product. Parcel shelf is in. However, the 2 little clips that hold up the strap here, they've actually drilled holes in there and put some little bits of wire, some drilled out holes and put wire in there. I need to put the proper clips into there. They're missing for whatever reason, but I do have another set. Now I need to put in, I've put these shelves in, all that's good. And obviously the carpet in the back. This is actually they've made one themselves, this parcel shelf, and made it out of aluminium, a sheet of aluminium. So it's heavy, but it's not too bad. It's not the perfect fit, but hey, it's better than not having one. So that's really good. So now I'm going to put the front seats, replace the front seats, and I need to put the seat belts in here. So let's do that now. Alright, now before putting these seats into the car, I've gone through and lubed up all these seat rails. So now they slide absolutely beautiful. Really good. So nice, smooth, very smooth actually. Alright, so I'll get this one in the car and I'll repeat the same process on the passenger side. Alright, I've gone through and given this door a really good clean. I still need to do the insides, but I'm going to wait till I can get the car out into a bit more of an open area. But all inside the doors, don't know if you can see down through there, but I've cleaned up all through there. I have put some spray down inside the window channels. I have greased the main gear wheel in there, and also put some grease along the slide mechanism. I'm going to experiment with the next door and use some different lubricant just to see if it's better or worse. Yeah, before I do the remaining two doors. So what I'm going to do now, I'll go through and do the driver's door, do the same thing, and then I will put the door trims on. Alright guys, this is the driver's rear door. I've given it a really good clean. Here's a photo of what the insides of the doors did look like. So as you can see, a vast improvement. Now I've gone through and put some silicone spray on the window channels. I've also gone through and put some adhesive lubricant on the door locking mechanism. You can't really see in there too good. And I've put grease on the window winder mechanism. Hopefully you can see it a bit better down there. Greased all that up, cleaned it, and there's your big cog wheel in there on the winder. And I've also put some grease onto that. All inside the doors have been cleaned. You probably can't see down in there too good. However, it's a lot cleaner than what it was. So what I'm going to do on the next door, instead of using like a heavy duty grease on the window winder mechanism, I'm going to use adhesive lubricant just to see if that is better or worse. But it all winds up and down nicely, door closes nicely. I am going to go through and grease up that once I clean the insides of these doors. I'll put some grease on that, and that should be happy days. I'll go through now, do the driver's door, finish that one off, and then I'll put these two door trims on the driver's side and then move on to the passenger side. Okay, here is how the interior turned out. I've only done the driver's side door trims. Couple of little things I need to fix up. The little surround around the lever on the driver's door isn't sitting right. I've got to figure out how to push that in. Apart from that, everything else went in good. Now all these seats are going to be cleaned, which I'll do in a separate video. And the front seats are in, so very happy. So I'll have a look from the front looking back. As you can see, both of these seats are a little bit dirty, but they should come up pretty good. And I just need to do those two passenger side door trims, and that'll get the door trims done. I think that's enough for today. I don't think I'm going to do anything else. So we'll wrap it up here, guys, and we'll have a look on the next video.